Hello and welcome to another video from Utopia Restorations. I'm Will and this is my Series 3 109 FFFR 24 volt Land Rover, and today we're going to be getting it back on the road. So what I'm going So here she is, her name's Aloy, and the reason why she's not on the road at the moment is we were having some starter motor issues, which with the batteries. Of course you can hand crank these. Hand cranked it, drove it to London Mud Club, which was the last time, drove it back, all good and fine. Then we needed to use her as an anchor, as a car was stuck on a trailer as the gears were stuck, so we needed to use her as an anchor to pull it off. The story behind this is my challenge is she hasn't been running for a while, and my plan was before my birthday, which is tomorrow, to get her running again and get her driving. Admittedly, I definitely know we need spark plugs, and they're 24 volt ones. They're a bit different. I'll show you when they come. They are monstrous because the leads are monstrous, which will show you in the engine. But because it's 24 volt, we need 2 batteries. So it was quite an outlay for high-end quality batteries to get to in that. So today we've got the batteries. We're going to give that a go and give the starter motor a go and see what happens. Fingers crossed she will start. I am fully aware it may not be very well and we may not move her today. Then tomorrow, spark plugs can come, so we'll be able to do that. Do one-handed lifts with this tyre. I'm not, so I'm going to pause it and then I'm going to show you it lifted so I can show you the engine. So here it is, lovely. It's an older engine than the car, but it's a Recon one which came with it. One thing you will notice is the batteries aren't here because this is my alternator. 24 volts, yes, do make a difference. Look at all my leads over there as well. So rather a bit of change. I am just going to reach down here and prime some fuel, as it has been a while, so we can get some fuel going. Oh no, actually I'm not priming fuel, am I? No, ignore me, I am priming fuel. It's just getting a bit going in there. Then I will show you inside where the batteries are. So you join me on the inside, here we go. And lovely, good rag as usual, because you always need them in a Land Rover. Danger acid splash, because yes, batteries used to literally have acid in them. Here is where the 2 batteries go. So we've got the new ones. These old ones are a bit gone, the other one's already been taken out. So these are coming off and the new ones are going in. We should have power. So one thing to mention is she is coming into the workshop for some work, and I'll take you around and show you a bit of the few things that we're going to be doing. And we've got some exciting partners that are working with us on this project. Aloy deserves to be the top quality and the top notch of what we can do at New Utopia. Of course, being one of my vehicles, whenever a customer asks for work for theirs, mine falls to the bottom of the list. So it's finally time to get her back on the road. And yeah, it's going to be some cool projects and some cool things to be a perfect example of what we can do at Utopia. Here you go. So one is in. I actually ordered these without measuring them, and look at that, that's a very snug fit, and they're quite a bit heavier, so I'm definitely going to be needing to redo the tray, but we can do that, so it's all good really. Yeah, and then just need to connect them up. I've put that one in the wrong way around, and then we're all good to go. We need to speak just too soon, so the rear one's perfect, but I forgot there's cables at the front, so this one doesn't fit. So one of the old batteries is still holding charge. I'm going to put charge in that and try and get that one to do it as well. Yeah, literally just too short and spoke too soon. It's my own fault really. Here we go then, moment of truth. Batteries are in, chokes on. Let's see what we can do. Right, I need to put the camera up because I remember this is a 2-handed start. Oh my lord! She's going, she's got a bit of a chop. She's there. Can you believe it? So she's got a bit of a chop. Yeah, you can see she's got misfire out the back, smoking away, but she's starting, she's going. I'm just going to have a little listen today. Sounds like the rear ones, but she's going. Right, so decided to stop there because it is chopping. There's clearly a misfire, so we need the new spark plugs to come. But yeah, can't believe it. Aloy's always been like that. Left her a few months at one point, gave her a bit of battery charge, started straight away. This is the first proper problem, apart from the time I got trailered, that I've had with it. Once she's going, once it started, I'll give you a listen. It's possibly one of the quietest 2 1/4s that I've heard. Yeah, just lovely and peach. So cannot wait to get it into the workshop, get it sorted. I'll show you the full plans of what we're going to do in the next video, possibly. This is one of did I make it for my birthday? And yeah, she's running. Maybe tomorrow if we get the spark plugs done, I'll actually take it out for a drive around the yard. So she's out and she's running. Sadly, the spark plugs didn't arrive in time, so she's running a bit rough and a bit ropey. But she's going and managed to drive her all the way up to the top to be a true workhorse and get some new tools, new kit for the workshop. So yeah, fantastic day. I'm very excited to have her back. Literally driving it just brings a smile to your face. I forgot how much I love driving the series. So yeah, ready for the summer and ready to get out and get on. So there you go, it's back on the road for my birthday. We do have the new spark plugs, but don't have time to install them, and it's going back in the workshop. So I'll show you the exciting news of our brand partners with it and what's going to be happening in the full walk around of the plan. But a bit of an intro. So yeah, I managed to get it running for my birthday, and it's going 8 months sat still and just start straight away. So who said Land Rovers are bad? Well, it's mainly the petrol ones that are better.